Aristocrat shotgun against Whiplash. Of course, we're going to play in Spooky Town because it's Halloween. So, yeah. Obviously, we're just going to stun him and then shoot him. So, yeah. Oh my god, I didn't even hit him. That's embarrassing. Okay. Oh, this does a lot of damage to him, actually. Wow. Guys, don't be surprised if I die a lot. I'm just full on targeting Whiplash. Because I'm going to whip his ass. Are you serious? Everyone's killing me while I'm just trying to take out Whiplash on my own and that. So, yeah. Oh my god, Vulcan, you piece of shit. Anyway, so as you saw, does a lot of damage against Whiplash. So, that is pretty cool. To be honest, I actually think it is better than the Blunderbuss. I reckon. Oh my god, that isn't crazy strong. As you can see, I just killed him so fast. This thing does a lot of damage. So, yeah, he's already died 2 times. Okay, guys, I think this is actually the best way to take him out. Like, look at that. Oh, where are you? Who is he? Died to the weakest guy there. Oh my gosh. Gotta make sure I don't stun myself. Yes, it's my day today. He's already died 3 damn times. Okay. So guys, I guess that's actually how you take him out. See him if he can die again. Boom. Guys, I just found the best way to take Whiplash out. As you know, he's pretty hard to take out, and not many guns can do that much damage from him. My gosh. That's crazy. Anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed. And of course, if you have, please do hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next time.